Hello YouTube, it's me, the Makisa11. This is another video of a lock installation. I used locks from Macon Styles. That's MACONSTYLES. My client had a total of 50 locks in size small. Her hair is a very soft texture, and the front is actually more loose than it is kinky or curly. So I had to do a little bit of work to make that hair stay inside the locks without frizzing up too much, especially after the wash. So she got random parting, still in a brick layered fashion so that the locks overlap the ones below. As you can see, this is after it was all done. Very soft, very neat, stacked in a way that will allow the hair to look full even though it's fewer locks. And you can see the difference in hair texture in the front. It's a little bit more straight, and then in the back it's a bit more puffy, but I made it work. This is after it was washed. I used the Shea Moisture line, Jamaican Black Castor Oil, shampoo and conditioner. This after is all nice and clean. Of course, her hair was clean before because my clients always wash their hair either the day before or the day of the appointment. But I like to wash it afterwards. To soften the locks, also to make it easier to do the maintenance, and to add whatever products that will actually absorb into the hair. Okay, so this is what it looks like. Fresh out the towel, glistening, beautiful, and I'm about to go in and get started. So I just want to show you what it looks like. This is after I sprayed it down with the leave-in conditioner, coconut oil based from Cantu. I do like to use a leave-in conditioner just to give it a little something. It has a nice scent. Of course, it helps with moisturizing. And here I was trying to show you guys, but I didn't have the bottle flipped around. And this is after I had done a retwist. And I did use flexi rods. The curls could have dried a little bit more, but I think this particular, tightness of the curl was best because of the length. That way you can actually see, the length of the hair opposed to if it was tighter. But she loved the way the curls looked. She loved the retwist. I was just happy that the front laid down and didn't fight the power, because softer hair textures tend to resist, especially when you're not using very heavy products. I like to keep it light. So I really just used the leave-in conditioner spray, some light coconut oil, and I used very minimal edge control around her edges just to keep them in. And this is what it looked like after some barrels. So thanks for watching, as always, and stay tuned for next videos in the future. Have a great day. Bye.